What's up everyone? Hope everyone is doing well. So today, get ready for another day in the life. It's currently 7 a.m. I'm about to do my forecast and let's see if today we get some trades. So let's get into it. Okay, so after a long time, as is like I was trying to record the whole thing. I was trying to record hitting take profit, but it was taking very long, and I don't know. I think I was recording for like 20 minutes. So the trade was running 8%, so 8R, and it pulled back to break even. So I took the break even, which is something that has happened maybe 3 times just this month. And I always think like, should I take some partials in the middle? Because it was just 2R, which was 4 pips from take profit. So it's all now, this is all about the testing. Like I really need to test if I want to take 80% at 10R, and if it doesn't get to 10R, I don't take any percentage or something, because it's all good in games when you are like, I don't know, trading demo or trading a $1,000, $5,000 account. But when you get to the big accounts of even funded capital, whatever, that's when 8R can be much more than just some arbitrary number. It would be a good amount for you to put into your personal account. So I really need to think this through. And I'm going to make a video for Patreon on how to find this out, because I've already done something like this for myself to understand how I want to manage these type of positions that are running a lot of percentage and etc. So it's going to be interesting to see. Right now, it's currently 9:30. And I am going to review the exercise that I have on euro dollar, see if I can spot any patterns of the trades that are working out, the trades that are not working out. So yeah, today I've only taken that trade. Then I actually had another trade set up, which I ended up like removing. So I'll show it to you. I actually was waiting in the beginning while this was forming right here. I was waiting for price to tap this area to then continue to move down. So this was my first preferred entry, but we ended up not getting there. And that's when we continued to move down and I got this entry right here, which was the one that was running 8R and you saw on MT4. Then it actually ended up pulling back all the way up to here. So to the first entry that I wanted, and moving down. So I would have already been taking the full the 80% at 10R, but I did not take that trade. And this one was now another one that I thought about taking, but I ended up also not pulling the trigger because it came up very aggressively. And once I saw it, it was already here, and I didn't want to get into the FOMO of, okay, let me set a trade, let me set an entry here, whatever. So I just let it be, and yeah, it's perfectly fine. The 10R is basically right here. And one thing that I'm feeling a lot while I'm in this like learning process is that I don't feel FOMO when I see these trades and me not being in them. I just really don't care all that much. Obviously, it's because you're not trading it on big capital, so it's whatever. I like the MT4 that you saw, it was indeed a demo. So, and you know, like every time I enter on a trade and it's on a MT4 and it shows profits running, I am going to tell you if it's a demo or not. Like it makes no sense for me to be hiding that stuff from you. Like you guys know, I'm currently like on the transition phase. It wouldn't make sense for me to risk my big capital on these type of trades where I don't have yet a statistical edge, or I'm working on this statistical edge. So that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, either way, like I just love to see the trades playing out. I love the precision that you can get from the lower time frames. I really do. So I'm very excited to keep learning, and I'm very excited to see the market continue to play out. So for today, there were already 3 possible trades. It's really nice to see. It means that the video that I'm going to release Saturday on Patreon, which is the Smart Money Concept market review, is going to be quite long, but also valuable at the same time. So I'm excited for that. So right now I'm going to be doing the review of the Smart Money Concept exercise that I have. I'm going to be recording one video for Patreon and then we're going out. So it's currently 2:30. I'm quite tired because we had to move a lot of stuff. This is kind of a self-fulfilling prophecy. If I went to the coffee shop or the beach or probably something else, I would have some energy. But right now, I'm actually going to sleep for 30 minutes. Well, I'm going to watch Meet Kevin's Market Open live stream. I'm going to buy some Tesla stock. And then I will go to the gym in the afternoon. One thing that was actually a problem is that I wasn't as productive as I wanted to be, because like with the exercise that I'm doing that I now have to review, I'm kind of hitting a plateau where I'm overflown with information. So I need to start to pinpoint exact things that I want to do in order to break that plateau. Another thing is that I'm having an allergy attack. So I was thinking about ditching this day in the life because it was like very, very hard. With this allergy attack, I'm constantly cleaning my nose. I don't know how you say it in English. So all that is kind of helping with the fact that I'm a little bit more tired. So currently I'm going to be sleeping for just 30 minutes. Then I'm going to help my grandmother with some stuff still of moving. Then I'm going to the gym, and then I'll probably go to the coffee shop. So for the first time in a long time, I'll probably go to the coffee shop from like 6:30 until maybe 8 p.m. So that'll be interesting. I wanted to buy more, but since the market opened like 5% up, I was like, yeah, fuck it. I'll wait for the market to maybe move a little bit more down, and then I'll enter. I wanted to enter yesterday when it was like at 780, but I was already quite a bit in margin, and cash only came to the market now. So let's see. It's currently 4:30 and I'm going to just watch the charts. I'm actually going to be doing one video for Patreon. Let me see which one I'm going to do right now. So the video that I'm going to record, there's actually two. It's the perfect risk management and the perfect risk management for prop firms. Never lose a funded account. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing right now. But before that, let's buy one more Tesla stock. Because as said, the market started off really, really nice, but then it starts plummeting again. So currently it's at 782. So let's just buy one more. So there you go, another one bought at, can you see it, 782. So this was basically all I was looking for in the stock market. I was waiting for the stock market to go down to be able to buy. And now you can expect to see me working as hard as possible to make as much money as possible so I can invest in the stock market, and of course in turn also invest in my trading account, possibly also invest in real estate, because I do believe that the market is going to crash on real estate too. So it's going to be an interesting couple of years. Some of you might be laughing if you're watching this in 1 year, like, oh my god, Tesla is at 600 now or whatever. And I'm like, yep, talk to me in 10 years. So that's my investment strategy. Right now, let's get started with the Patreon videos. Then I'm going to the gym, and then I'm going to the coffee shop. So let's do that, and I'll see you in the B-roll. What's up everyone? I hope everyone is doing well. So in this video, let's break down the perfect risk management strategy and why it is good. Yeah, that's the way I'm going about it. Now you also know kind of a secret that I don't say on YouTube. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Peace. Okay gentlemen, so I forgot my camera luckily we all have a phone, am I right? So I don't know how many times I've changed t-shirts this video, but the editor me will know, and will throw a random one on screen. Maybe you noticed, maybe you didn't. Well, now you know. I've changed many times t-shirts. So it's currently 5:30. I'm about to go to the gym. Then I'll go to the coffee shop. I'll record just some b-roll on the gym and also some b-roll in the coffee shop. So next time you see me on a real camera, next time I'll be talking to you is when I'm at home. So see you. Peace. One thing that I love about the markets when we're talking about like lower time frames is how precise it can be. Like you can, and you can be profitable like just on the 15-minute. Like you can see it right here. Like we broke structure. We broke internal 15-minute structure, and look at where we pulled back to. We pulled back to into the wick of the 15-minute supply zone that created this break of structure. So I really love the precision of the lower time frames. And by the way, I'm back home. I changed between 2 more shirts. It's crazy. So let me just show you what I'm looking for in the market in terms of price action, and then let's go to the final regards. So let's first start by buying some more Tesla, because why not? Am I right? Then, okay, so euro dollar, come on, like there's such an important video that I released on not only forecasting but also on ranges. So if you guys want to check that out, you know where to find it. Euro Japanese yen, same thing, huge range, so not looking at anything. Aussie dollar, also not looking at anything for the same reasons. Even though you have here very quick reversals, I'm not looking at anything. And Aussie Japanese yen, well, same thing. So yeah, in terms of price action, I haven't taken any trades this month, and we are currently on the 10th of May. But in terms of smart money, I've taken quite a bit of trades already, currently in profit for the month, which is nice. And yeah, as you saw, one thing that I really need to think about is my taking profits, because is it really sustainable long term to be running 8R and letting it pull back to break even, being that 8R could easily be like, I don't know, even like 16K, 30K, whatever. And of course, I don't want to think about it in the monetary perspective, but in a way, if you're trading for prop firms, you could think of it in a monetary perspective, because if you're taking big wins, you can fund your personal trading account even more. So that's something that I definitely have to keep in mind. It's going to be interesting. Until now, my idea was, okay, I'll take 80% at 10R, I'll move break even once we break structure, but maybe that is going to change. But that's what this is all about. It's all a learning process. So if you want to join, you know where to find me. Let's go on to the final regards. And by the way, I was this close to stop filming this day in the life. So let me know if you are still watching by dropping a comment with this emoji, and let me know if it was worth it for me not to stop. I always have a beautiful view, and that's what's beautiful about having a beautiful view. Okay, gentlemen, that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kind of a different one. I always say this. So if they're always different, that means that they're always the same. It's just different to expectations. There you go. So thank you all for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to join the Patreon if you want the exclusive videos. Like, I'm really proud of the videos that I've been putting there. Also, forecast everything, all the trades that I've taken so far. They're kind of forecasted in the private Discord, so make sure to join that if that's what you're looking for too. Check my Forex funds, check FTMO, check whatever you guys want in the description, and I will see you next week. Peace.